Cruising Fridays, and I know the intros to the video is recorded the next day. I totally forgot to record an intro, but we are taking a trip to Los Angeles, and we're going to the very iconic car spots where most car people dream of going. We met some people that were also taking pictures in the areas that we were in. Everyone's so nice out here. At least the people are in the car community. There's a lot of respect and love for all cars out here, from what I can tell. It's because of this traffic right here. We'll keep going a little bit longer, a little bit longer, a little bit longer, a little bit longer. Surprise, shawty! Oh, great, I'm getting pulled over.
Section 74 is for excessive exhaust noise, okay? So all cars have to be 95 decibels or less, like I told you, and we rated in at 107. So a little too much. Or 106.4, I think it was. You usually don't cite anybody that's below 100. So if you were close, we would have given you that, but 107's too much in that ballpark.
So we just got pulled over for a loud exhaust in this is Irene's face right now. You okay? Babe.
Sunshine, like the sunshine. Change your heart. Look around you. Change your heart. Look around you. Like the sunshine, like the sunshine. Change your heart.
day 2. We're getting gas. We're running a little low. I think we're 37 miles to empty, and we're 4 minutes away from Costco. So we're just gonna get some gas at Costco real quick, since it's the only decently priced fucking gas for miles over here. Do the coastal drive. We're gonna be going on the 1, driving around in Malibu, and then we're gonna head home back down to San Diego. There she is. Where are we going to eat? I'm starving.
Oh fuck.
I'm like really starving.
I don't know. I thought you want to just get a snack then? Why don't we get something small? I don't know. McDonald's? Something around here? Okay.
McDonald's? Sure. You guys know you know. 100 Thieves.
Company. So we got there at 11:45. We waited almost an hour, but the food was so good. It was so worth it, even though it was super expensive. You want to tell them what you got?
I had the lobster roll. Lobster roll was so good.
It was so good. Lobster roll. We shared some shrimp ceviche that was a little too spicy. We had half a dozen oysters that were pretty good and refreshing. And I had an uni pasta that was super good too. So now we are just gonna drive up along the Pacific Coast Highway a little more north, see what's there. This is going to be a pretty quick install, but it's well going to be worth it installing this. So hope you guys stay tuned for that video. Anyways guys, thank you for watching. Peace out.